as the car corner pace car ducks on out. We're going to pick up speed for the Bandits. Might have a good-looking group here. They come. Green flag, and we're racing. No. Cody Armato ran away. It was not a good start. We are going to line them up and do it again. It looks like Mike. Oh, I don't think Roger Thigpen knows. He's going for the lead. He didn't come from Florida for nothing. Roger Thigpen hits yellow flag, buddy.
For a yellow car, that is, too, as well. Just a side note here, John. Eric Pearson in that 5E car.
All right, here they come. Flagman likes it so far. Green flag, and we're racing. It's Armato. Oh, Armato and Mahurin. Into the wall goes Mahurin.
And he kept it going, which will keep the caution off. Someone might get a black flag here, though.
Yeah, I think he's in a little bit of trouble. As, yes, the 26 of Cody Armato. It's a no-no, as you cannot run other cars into the wall on purpose. Maybe not. Maybe something went down in the car. Who knows? As we go around, we're going to continue racing. We're down to 4.
2 5s and 2 4s.
So if you pick a 5, you've got a
50-50 chance.
50-50 chance. If you pick a 4, you've got a 50-50 chance.
You were kind of thinking about that for a second, like there's too many 5s and too many 4s, and how does that equal?
I hope nobody took a 99.
Not this race.
Wait a minute, 5 plus 4 is 9.
Oh my.
That's too much. Back to racing. Single file racing. We've got the 5E, followed by the 4, and then our Florida driver for Roger Thigpen working on the second place car of Dan Sander, and rounding off our top 4 is the 5 of Jeff Turbo Parasite. I think he needs a turbo to catch up to the field there, Eric.
Yeah, but again, that's that Eric Pearson. We talked about being ahead in the heats and being an aggressive driver in the heats, and look who's out front. 5E.
And it looks like he may run away with this, as 5 is a bigger number than 4, Eric.
It is, even though we got a pair of 4s behind him. But is 4K bigger than a 4? That is the ultimate question, because 5E is bigger than 5.
Maybe it stands for 4,000. You know, 1K, 4K.
Hey, that could be.
We got 2 laps to go.
It's a Florida thing.
We need to ask him after the races. As we come around with 1 to go, it's the battle for second.
Sanders so far ahead in that red 4 over Thigpen in the yellow.
As it looks like Pearson is going to take the checkered flag and win this race. It's going to be Pearson, followed by Thigpen. Followed by Sander, followed by Thigpen. And then rounding out the top 4 would be Jeff Turbo Parasite.
That'll be the 4th heat win for Eric Pearson here at the Rockford Speedway this year.
How about that? He's racking up the trophies, buddy.
That's how you do it. I know this is one of those moments you love. Win's a win. Trophy's a trophy.
That's right.